In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust and use Grok Imagine settings for smarter image generation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch Grok, open the Imagine interface, customize behavior, and get consistent results that match your workflow. First, open Grok in your web browser or the app and sign into your account. A quick tip here: make sure you're on a stable connection and, if possible, running the latest version to avoid hiccups. Once you're in, look for Grok Imagine in the main menu or the sidebar. Click it to open the image generation interface. You'll typically see a prompt box for your ideas and an area where results will appear as they're generated. Before you start creating, let's tune the experience. Find the settings icon within the Grok Imagine interface, usually a small gear, and click it to open your preferences. Around this point, if you need the download link or website link for Grok, you'll find it right at the top of the video description. That's the quickest way to get the app or access the web version. Inside settings, you'll see a few behavior options you can toggle. Enable automatic video generation. If you want Grok to automatically create videos whenever you upload an image, this is great for quick previews or social posts. If you prefer manual control, leave it off. Enable sidebar editor for code and documents if you like to keep notes, refine prompts, or maintain code snippets right alongside your images. It helps you iterate without switching tabs. Enable autoscroll to keep the interface moving down automatically as new results load, which is perfect for large batches. Turn it off if you want to pause and compare outputs without the page shifting. After adjusting these preferences, be sure to click Save or Apply. Look for any confirmation message to ensure your changes are active. If you skip this step, the interface may revert to the defaults the next time you generate images. Now you're ready to create. Type your idea into the prompt text box. Be descriptive and clear. Mention the subject, style, and any key details that matter to you. Then generate as you normally would. From here on, Grok Imagine will follow the behavior you just set. Whether that's auto-scrolling through results, lining up the sidebar editor for notes, or spinning up videos automatically when you upload an image. That's how you adjust and use Grok Imagine settings to fit your workflow. Thanks for watching.